Cylinder head failure in your natural gas engine starts with overheating, white smoke, and loss of coolant, resulting in a cracked cylinder head, taking you off the road and money out of your pocket. It's time to put an end to your troubles and find your complete solution. Contact the experts at Highway and Heavy Parts, where we provide technical service, accurate parts ordering, and fast shipping, getting you back on the road. Experience the difference Highway and Heavy Parts can do for you and your natural gas engine. Like this new natural gas cylinder head for the Cummins ISLG. Built with major improvements over the original OEM casting, designed with wider fluid passages and a thicker deck for better coolant flow and more efficient heat transfer. Crafted with a higher nickel content to handle the high heat and pressures caused by natural gas engines. Best of all, no welds are used in these cylinder heads, ensuring structural integrity under extreme duty cycles. Quality, increased efficiency, and durability. Backed by a 1-year warranty and expert advice from our ASC certified technicians. Connect with Highway and Heavy Parts for industry-leading technical expertise, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping, providing you with one complete solution. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.